In a previous video, I asked you to complete question 2, and this is where we had worked on question 1. Let's erase that. So you have completed question 2. Let's see what's going on for question 2. The bus travels from, alright, let's say Woodstown is here, to Grants Hall is here at an average speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Alright. Then it travels 60 kilometers away to Rich Valley, call it RV. Sometimes it's nice to have a little sketch and a pictorial view of what you're doing. This is 15 kilometers away. So 15 kilometers, and this is 60 kilometers. So we have the distances. As for the speeds, 30 kilometers per hour, 30 kilometers per hour, and this one is 65 kilometers per hour. All right, you have 15 kilometers at an average speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Then further 60 kilometers at an average speed of 65 kilometers per hour. What is the total time taken? Let's see. First of all, from Woodstown to Grants Hall, the time, we want to know the time. Time is equal to, speed is distance over time. So time is going to be distance over speed. So that's distance of 15 kilometers divided by 30 kilometers per hour. 15 kilometers over 30 kilometers per hour. 15 over 30 is half hour. So it's half hour. Alright? It's half hour. And it is in hours, because what you can see here is that kilometers is divided by kilometers over hour. And the kilometers at top multiplies the reciprocal of this fraction, kilometers over hour. So it's hour over kilometers. This is kilometers over hour, so you must multiply by hour over kilometers. Remember your fraction. Kilometer cancel kilometer, so you have hour. Alright, so that's the time from Woodstown to Grants Hall. Now let's erase this part here, and let's calculate the time from Grants Hall to Rich Valley. So Grants Hall to Rich Valley. Time is going to be distance over speed, which is 60 divided by 65. So 60 divided by 65. Let's just quickly get a calculator here. 60 over 65, 60 divided by 65, and you will get 0.923 hours. 0.923 hours. Alright? Now, total time taken. Half hour, which is 0.5 plus 0.923 hours. So, what you have? 0.923 plus 0.5. You have 3, you have 2, 9 and 5, 14, bring down the 4, carry 1, 1. So it's 1.423 hours. Now, that's 1.423 hours. But in everyday life, You don't usually say it like that. So what we do is say we have 1 hour plus 0.423 hours. And we want 0.423 hours. Can convert that in minutes. So you can say 1 hour and how many minutes. So let's do that. This, we want the 0.423. So 0.423 hours in minutes. What must we do to turn that into minutes? Well, you know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. 0.5 hours is 0.5 by 60, which is 30 minutes. So 0.423 hours, we multiply by 60 to get it in minutes. So it's 25 minutes. Alright? So it's 1 hour and we multiplied 0.423 by 60 and we got 25. So it's 1 hour and 25 minutes. 1 hour and 25 minutes. Now, this says 25.38. Suppose we want it right down to the second. We already have the 25, but we don't want point something second, the minutes. We have 25 minutes, but we don't want to say 25 point something minutes. What we want to do is say 0.38 into seconds. So we multiply by 60 because 60 seconds you have in 1 minute. So if 1 minute is 60 seconds, then 0.38 minutes is 0.38 by 60, which is 22.8 seconds. So call it 20, yeah, around 20 seconds then, just to be approximate. So it is 1 hour, 25 minutes and 20 seconds. But of course, generally, we're not interested in the seconds. We're just approximating. So we can say it's 1 hour, 25 minutes. Right? 1 hour, 25 minutes is the total time. 1.423 hours. 1 hour, 25 minutes. Now, the other part of the question says, what's the average speed of the whole journey? Let's erase some parts of this. And we find the average speed of the entire journey. Okay, good. Now, the average speed, let's call it S, is the distance divided by time. So what we have here then, the total distance is 15 kilometers plus 60 kilometers, which is 75 kilometers divided by the total time. Let's put the time in hours, 1.423 hours. So, HR. So, 75 over 1.423. So, 75 divided by 1.423 equals is 52.7 kilometers per hour. So it's 52.7. Let me write it down here. 52.7 kilometers per hour. 52.7 kilometers per hour is the average speed of the whole journey. Good. Now, the next thing I want you to do is to pause the video and work out question 3. It says, I usually drive 35 kilometers journey, the 35 kilometer journey to school at an average speed of 50 kilometers per hour to reach just in time. I am 7 minutes late this morning. What must be my average speed to reach school in time this morning? So, work that out until the next video and let me see what you did.